He hates the rain, and he's out there just playing, and I'm so proud of him. Charles, you're getting wet! Hey, Evel Knievel. Hey, you're off, Roden. Get back on the driveway. Yeah, stay on the driveway. Charles, you are getting wet.
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, man. Oh, man. Are you doing a rain dance?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. Are you doing a rain dance? Let me see. Woo! Shake a jig. You're not sick, my foot. Sick, my foot. Run, Thomas, run! We were hunting crawfish, but of course I can't find them. But I think they've got plenty to do.